Ako'y may tanong.
Yes, sir.
Ano naman po yung pinaka nagiging concern ninyo sa katawan?
May konting akong pain sa lower back, tsaka dito sa side na to.
Groin muscles.
Yung
yan.
dito, yung nakuha ko, tingin ko, nung nagbabasketball ako, kasi pag hindi available yung basketball shoes ko, ginagamit ko running shoes.
Okay.
So, hindi siya tugma sa movement ko. Nalalak pag yung pivot mo nawawala. Pero tingin ko,
Okay.
doon ko nakuha eh.
Rock Nation, good afternoon. I'm Aster, your PT on the go, and I'm a chiropractic specialist. Nandito po tayo sa clinic at kasama natin si Sir.
Danny,
Sir Danny. Ayan. So, Sir Danny, meron ka bang gustong malaman sa akin? Wala
siyempre
naman.
wala naman siguro, yung nakita ko naman sa mga background mo sa mga videos mo eh.
Thank you so
Okay
much.
naman.
Ano? So, ngayon, ako'y may tanong.
Yes, sir.
Ano naman po yung pinaka nagiging concern ninyo sa katawan?
May konting akong pain sa lower back, tsaka dito sa side na to.
Okay.
Which I think,
Which is
nakuha
our
ko,
groin muscles.
yung
Yan.
dito, which nakuha ko, tingin ko, nung nagbabasketball ako, kasi pag hindi available yung basketball shoes ko, ginagamit ko running shoes.
Okay.
So, hindi siya tugma sa movement ko. Nalalak pag yung pivot mo nawawala. Pero tingin ko,
Okay.
doon ko nakuha eh.
So, naglalak. Kumbaga, hindi appropriate yung
Tapos
ginagamit
ito
yung shoes.
minsan nagkaroon ako pag nagbubuhat ako minsan siguro sa stretching o maling buhat medyo sa shoulder yan meron akong mga gamit tama.
Okay. Sige. Titignan natin, ano? So, gaano mo na ito katagal na nararamdaman?
Medyo matagal na tong sa medyo matagal
Lower
na.
back.
Oo.
Any incident related or accident related with this?
Wala naman. Tingin ko doon lang sa talaga sa basketball.
Basketball.
Sa,
Minsan ba may
maling gamit kong shoes.
Nadulas ka or nabagsak ka?
Hindi naman. Hindi naman.
Okay. Very maingat. Very good.
So pa.
Okay. Ready ka na?
Ready na?
Yan. Posture up.
Ko.
Yun. Posture up. Yan. Dapat ganito. Okay? Yan. Sanay ba o hindi? Nangangalay?
Wala naman. Okay
Wala
naman.
naman. Okay? Sige, good. Napansin ko sa inyong lumbar spine, especially sa 3, 2, and 1, ay medyo nawawala na yung ating natural curve, which is like this one, dapat.
Ayan.
Yan. Okay? So, kapag ka, ayan ang dapat ang normal. Okay?
Okay.
Right here. No, pero medyo nagiging straighten na siya. Like this one. Yan. So, kapag medyo na-straighten na siya, nagkakaroon ng stress or nakukompromise yung muscle support. Okay? Napipilitan silang pumunta or na-stretch sa hindi tamang positioning. Okay? Hanggang lagi mo na silang makasanayang nakaslouch. Okay? Ayan. Titignan natin kung ano yung mga development or wrong development or deformation na nangyayari sa iyong buong spine later on. Okay? Turn to your left. Yan. Sige. Turn to your right. Saan po yung masikip sa tingin nyo? Or something meron? Or wala?
Pili ko parehas lang.
Parehas lang. Parehas lang na limited yung motion. Try nyo po isagad.
Ayan, yung sagad ko.
Dapat itong chin ninyo ay dapat at least nandito.
Okay.
Okay? Here. Tignan nyo.
Hindi umaabot.
Medyo hindi umaabot. Okay?
May stiffness.
Mataas po ba kayo mag-unan?
Ginagamit ko yung may curve na na para sa support sa neck.
Support sa neck.
Oo.
Very good. Alright. Sige.
Ito,
Ngayon
yun
ay
pala, no?
tingala. So, ito na rin ang pinaka nangyayari at meron ng stiffness and compression at limited range of motion. Dapat po ay nasaan? Nasa 45 degrees extension. Okay?
Malayo.
Matigas na rin. Okay? Yuko po kayo. Sige. Push it. Kamusta po yan? Once na pinush ko.
Nung pinupush mo, may pain.
Saan banda?
Dito?
Here?
Oo.
May connection dito? Meron? Yan. So, ito na yung pinaka nagiging cause, pinaka nagiging sign na nagkakaroon na ng unstable support yung muscles natin at nagkakaroon na ng imbalance yung ating spine. So, which is, once na merong connection with this one, hanggang sa baba ay meron ng specific misalignments or marami ng misalignment with our spine. Okay? O ngayon, tignan natin yung traps muscles. All the way up. Dikit sa tenga. Dikit sa tenga. Kamusta yan? Mabigat, masikip, anything.
Medyo mabigat to.
Kamusta po ito? Matigas?
Hindi naman.
Okay, kamusta ito? Connection.
Wala.
Okay, down. So ngayon, ang gagawin naman natin mula sa harap. Itataas ang kamay, ilalagpas sa tenga.
Ito na yung todo ko.
Todo na yan.
Hmm.
Okay? Hindi kayang ilagpas.
Hindi, yan ang todo ko.
Alright, down. Ayun, ang problema. Which is, limited range of motion of your.
Tsaka dito, parang nung
Scapula.
sa harap na dito ko medyo naramdaman ko. Medyo
Okay? Ito, right here.
Nung ginun ako.
Sobrang sikip at saka sobrang limited yung motion. Tatanungin kita ngayon, sir. Ano yung pinaka-state na pakiramdam mo currently? Ngayon. From 1 to 10, 10 yung pinaka-perfect or maganda yung pakiramdam. Ganun. Scorean nyo yung sarili na yun.
Siguro.
Sa lahat ng ngalay. May nangangalay ba dito sa ngayon?
Pasulput-sulput lang yung
Pasulput-sulput.
Hindi parang, siguro mga 6.
6. Okay? So yan, ang pinaka-assessment natin and score mo sa ating physical examination at least is 7. Dahil sa lahat ng limitation ng range of motion na hindi mo nagagawa. Okay? Especially sa upper extremities. Ayan. Alright? Ayun. So, akala mo medyo normal pa yung katawan mo dahil nakakapag-exercise ka pa at nakaka-move ka pa. Pero hindi natin napapansin na ganito na pala yung nangyayari. Kailangan natin mas magkaroon ng unlocking or releasing ng tension para hindi mas lumala once na tumanda kayo.
Okay.
Okay? Ayan.
Okay.
So ngayon, ang pinakauna nating gagawin is focus tayo sa inyong concern, which is our extremities, upper, spine, cervical, and lower. Yun muna yung una nating gagawin bago tayo mag-proceed sa pinaka-full procedure.
Okay.
Alright? Okay. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin ay dadapa kayo. Uunahin natin ito. Okay? So, una natin itong i-check here. So, medyo malayo na rin yung pagitan with this cervical 7 and cervical number 6. Tapos ito, here, nararamdaman nyo ito. Yan, medyo nakalabas na rin. Yan, ang pinaka-ayusin natin this one. Okay, so first is right here. I will push this away. Okay, para at least mag-open lahat ng ating disc joints. Yup, stretch it. And push this one. Okay, I will push your buttock. Okay,
Sige lang, sir.
Inhale. Exhale, relax ang shoulder. Relax ang shoulder. Exhale. Good. Nice. Sa ating cervical 5 and number 6. Ayan. Hawakan ko ito. Okay? Hold this up. Ayan. Okay? I will push this. Ayan. Nakikita nyo? Sobrang limited. Okay. Here. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Relax po yung shoulders ninyo. Yan. Good. Okay. So, sobrang stiff and tight. Okay. Here's the ribs. I'll push this. Inhale. Exhale. Alright. Right there. Good one. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Masakit ba ito pag pinupush ko? Hindi naman. Okay. Good. Sige. So this time, I sit down po muna kayo. Hindi naman. Normal ganito po kayo. So lower back. So more off. Left yung una nating i-check. Left over right. Left over right. Yakap sa sarili. Relax ang shoulder. Yan. Tapos, down. Ngayon, i-open natin yung ribs mo. Okay? Open yung ribs. Side. 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 Yan. Okay? Stay. Forward ng konti. Stay. Put right here. Hold this one. Okay? Yes. Yuko po kayo. Yan. So, yung ulo. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. How was it?
Okay. Sarap.
Here, open. Good one. Right there. Here. Good. See? Inhale. Exhale. Good?
Good.
First time niyo po ba yan?
Oo.
So ngayon, ay dadapa po tayo. So ngayon, i-check natin yung lower extremities, muscles, and joints. Ang gagawin niyo po ay titignan natin yung iliac crest, rotation ng pelvis, at yung ating sacroiliac joint. Taas niyo po ito, diretso. Taas. Mabigat po ba? May ngalay?
Meron.
Mabigat at may ngalay. Sige, down. Kabila po. Yan, tapos na po yan.
Ganun din.
Mabigat, may ngalay.
Ngalay.
Okay, down. Iliac crest. Here. Ready. Inhale. Exhale. Down, down, down. Good. Nice. Alright. Ngayon, ang gagawin po natin ay i-stretch po natin ito. Alright? Inhale. Exhale, stretch. Good. Let it out. Exhale. Yan. Nakakatulong po yung exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Relax ito. Good. Nice. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Down. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Ngayon, para sa inyong coccyx or tailbone at saka sa ating sacrum 1. Okay? At saka junction ng ating L5. Ngayon, ang gagawin nyo po ay itataas nyo dalawa sabay. Diretso yung tuhod, tigasan ang puta. Okay? Ready? Go up. Sige. Yan. Diretso po yung tuhod. Yan. Good one. Nice. So ngayon, ang focus natin ay ang ating ribs. Especially sa inyong left side. Okay? Here. Yeah. Out. Pull and push. Inhale. Exhale. Here. Inhale again. Exhale. Nice. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Okay. Inhale again. Exhale. Here. Inhale. Exhale. Let it out. Inhale. Exhale po again. Very nice. Good. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Nice. Ngayon, i-check natin ulit yung pinaka-movement with your iliac crest and pelvis. Alright? Sige, taas niyo po ito. Wow. How is it now?
Okay naman siya.
Mas mataas na. Kamusta yung bigat at ngalay kanina?
Mas na lesson.
Mas na lessen. Very good. Kabila. Nice one. How is it?
Okay rin.
Good. Anong difference? Mas
magaan.
light,
Oo.
mas magaan.
Mm.
Okay, good. So, yun yung po yung pinakaginagawa natin. Please. Okay? So, ngayon, dito tayo sa middle thoracic. Let's see this one. Pantay naman ito. Pero ito-twist ko ng konti. Right there. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, good. Here. Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good. Nice. Okay? Upper side. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Tight. Ngayon, ibang technique yung gagamitin natin para makuha natin ito. Sige. Peran po ako ng batok ninyo. Here. Hawak po kayo sa aking kamay. This one. Ilock niyo po ang siko. Ibaba ang siko. Yan. Okay. Relax. Ano? Inhale. Exhale. Nice.
Dami.
Okay. So this time, ay hihiga na kayo ulit. Natapilok na po ba kayo dati?
Ang bata pa ako.
Yung bata ka pa? Okay. Sige. Tayo sa lower extremities again hanggang sa dumating sa iyong cervical spine, which is sa leeg. Okay? So marami tayong areas with our foot dahil maraming buto at maraming ligaments and joints na nakasuporta dito. Okay? So first is our metatarsals here. This one. Relax po. Yep, good one. Nice. Good. Next, sa lower side. Right here. Here. The navicular bone right there. Here. Next is for our talus bone. Good one. Good. Next is for our cuboid. Here sa upper side. And up. Good. Turn up. Yeah, relax po yung legs. Nice. Next is for your calcaneus or heel. Good. Here. Turn. Relax ang legs. Turning, turning, turning. Relax. Yup. Turning. Nice. Here, first is metatarsal again. Relax. Good one. Nice. Here. Mataas po ba yung uric acid ninyo?
Konti.
Nice. Good. Check niyo po yung limitation at movement. Yun, good. Nice. Yan. Here. Here. Good. And then cuboid. Nice. Heel. Turn in. Turn in again. Nice one. Sa tuhod. Good. Push this down. You. Twist. Good. Twist again. There. This is our adjustment for fibula and tibial bone sa ating hinge joint. Here. Relax. Ito. Lupay-pay ba? Here. Yep. Good one. Turning. Nice. How is it? Stop. Here. Turn. Inner side. Here. And then, this is for your groin. Saan yung sumasakit sa inyo? Left or right?
Dito, sir.
Yes. Yan. Start saka sa ating inner hip. Right there. Nice. Ayan. Prepare natin yung iyong patella first. Push it. Good. Clear. Nice. Okay. Turn up. Relax. Turn up. Good one. Nice. Here. And then, our... Yan. Open natin ang gusto para this one. Any pain in here?
Yan, yan.
Here. Okay. Relax ito. Turn. Right there. Nice. Naramdaman niyo po yan? Good. Then, sa ating lumbar and sacroiliac joint, which is our gitna ng ating pelvis. So, relax. Here. Ito po yung ipupush ko ha. Right there. Good. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Good. So at least ay very clear na. Relax. Huwag magtitira ng hangin sa tiyan. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Huwag magtitira ng hangin. Inhale again. Exhale. Good. Kamusta po yun?
Okay na.
Okay? Let it out. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Let it out. Inhale. Exhale. Okay?
Okay.
Sobrang compress. Kamay na tayo. Limitation. Let's see the pain here. 1.
Ayun.
Yun na agad. Tignan natin yung power. Grip. Sige, diretso ang kamay.
Grip.
Grip. Grip. Anong pakiramdam? Go, grip. Anong pakiramdam?
May konting pain.
Medyo may hina. Sige, ayusin natin. Para kumpleto yung pag-distribute ng power ng main muscles, our pulley ligaments. Okay? Relax. Good. Clear sa upper side. Yan. This kind of technique, it will prevent then yung ating mga tinatawag na pagkakaipit ng ating pulley ligament which can lead of carpal tunnel syndrome. Very clear. Okay, last one. Good. And stretch. Stretch it. Good one. Push. Relax ang elbow. Good. Nice. And your elbow here. Nice one. Good. Here, twisting. Upper side. Clear. Lower side. Good one. Okay. Stretch again. Good. Relax. Next one. Clear. Good. Let's see the pain again. Relax. Okay? Push 1.
Ako mas okay.
Okay? Push 2. Okay?
Dito ko lang na. Mas
Andun
malayo
pa.
na.
Mas malayo ng konti yung pain.
Mm.
Okay? Let's see the power. Here.
Grip.
Grip. Go. Nice. Ayan. Very good naman yung ating carpal bones, which is wala namang masyadong problema. Good.
Kano kasi ko eh, no? Mas gamit eh.
Okay, relax. Okay, clear. 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 Good. Last one. Turn down. Nice. At least, very good naman. Hindi natin kailangan i-test. So now, dito na tayo sa inyong cervical spine. Yan yung mga trigger points na tinatawag, which is here. Cervical 1. Okay?
Meron, no?
Meron. Number 2.
Meron.
Number 3.
Meron din, no?
Number 4.
Yan, mas light na.
And 5.
Yan, meron dyan.
Good. Traps muscles.
Konti.
Acromion.
Yan, konti
Wala.
rin.
Good. Here. Number 1.
Meron.
Number 2.
Meron.
Number 3.
Meron din.
Number 4.
Meron.
And 5.
Meron.
Okay. Traps muscles.
Meron.
Here. Okay. So this is your cervical number 1. This is your cervical number 2 right there. Okay? Sige. Inhale. Exhale. Relax po yung shoulder. Very nice. Good one. This one is blocked. Good. Rotation. Yep. Right there. Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good one. Okay. So block. Okay. Sobrang compress. With the right calculation and technique para hindi masobrahan. Tama? Okay. So ngayon, check natin lahat. Bite your teeth. Yan. Bite. Yup. Good. Inhale sa ilong. Exhale sa ilong. Good one. Alright. Again. Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good one. Nice. How is it?
Sarap.
Good. Ang pinakakailangan natin sa massage is light to moderate and natural sensation ng ating muscles. Yan. Pipindutin natin ulit ang inyong mga trigger points. So, let's see the difference. Sige. Okay. Cervical number 1. How's this now?
Mas nabawasan.
Nabawasan. Number 2.
Okay na, mas
Yung
okay siya.
sensitivity kanina, mas
Oh,
okay.
mas malayo na.
Number 3,
Oh,
4,
okay.
good, and 5.
Okay man.
Sa bila. Number 1,
Okay.
number 2,
May changes.
number 3, 4,
Mm.
and 5. How is it?
Mas okay na.
Nice one. Okay? So ngayon, i-check ko yung inyong traps muscles. Taas. Dahan-dahan. Go. Downside. Opening ng traps muscles. Papunta ng acromion bone. And ang gagawin niyo po sa muscles ninyo ay engage. Close fist. Ready? Go up. Taas po. Kamay. Taas. Yan. Sige. Sideward down. Taas. Down. Good. Relax ang kamay. Relax na po ang kamay. Relax na rin ang shoulders. Ready? Let's see this one. Up again. How is it now?
Okay.
Good. Down. Opening ng traps muscles. Good. Right there. Same movement, same procedure. Ready? Go up. Yan. Sideward down. How is it? May pain? Okay. Engage na yung muscles. Close fist. Good. Up. Tigasan ng shoulders. Sideward down. Good one. Sige. Relax na. Up. Down. How is it now?
Relax na.
Okay? Ready? Pigil. Lakas. Lakas. Pigil. Sige pa. Go. Lakas. Pigil, pigil. Yan. Nice.
Ay, sarap.
Good. Nice. Very firm. Next is our here. Acromion clavicular joint and stretch it. Clear. Good. And then and rotator cuff lower. Yoko po kayo. Relax po. Here. Good. Okay, sobrang limited. Nice. So here. Okay. Good. Relax. Yoko. Okay. May pain po parang nangyari.
Okay na.
Last natin is our ears. Like this one. Dahil nakakonekta to saan? Sa ating temple muscles and temporal bone. Here. Relax. Snap it. Nice. Here. Relax no? Snap it. Down. Nice. Okay? And then, our ear. This one. Sensitive part of our ears. Pindot. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Nice. Hello again, Rock Nation, and
Danny,
yan. So, kamusta po, sir, ang ating therapy?
mas komportable, mas relax.
Nice.
Maganda yung pakiramdam.
Very
Sagaan.
good. So, ngayon, physical examination. Ready? Posture up. Turn to your left. Yun. Turn to your right. How is it now?
Medyo mas mahalan. Yung ganong pain.
Sa tingin nyo, asan na? Kanina, medyo nandito. Okay? Good. Ngayon, tingala. Very good. Posture up. Good. Okay? So, at least, kamusta po ito?
Okay naman.
Here. This one. Yan. Shoulders. Ngayon, up. Dikit sa tenga. How is it now?
Yan. Okay naman.
Good. Down. Saan po yung masikip po ba?
Parang dito. Dito lang.
Sa right side. Here. More up. Yan. Kamusta yan? So far.
Yan. Yan na yung todo ko.
Yan. Pilit pa rin ng konti. Kasi dahil sa compression between this here and here. Yan. Affected po ito lahat. Sa lahat ng area na to. Dahil dito. Yan. At yung pinaka-rotation and pinaka-range of motion ng ating scapula or shoulder blade. Okay? Sige, down. Ngayon, ito. Here. Twist. Yun. Kamusta yan so far?
Okay naman.
Good. And kabila. Yan. Kamusta yan so far?
Okay na.
Good. Okay? Kanina, masikip. Tingnan natin ito. How is it?
Okay naman, walang ganong,
Good.
hindi ganong
Hindi na
intensity ng
sobrang
pain.
katigas. Okay, nice. Okay?